Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you very short remedy, home remedy. So guys can see, this is ginger. And see how I peel it, cut it in cubes, small. So this is olive oil. Can see it. This is big bottle. You have small bottle. So the only thing you do, you wash your ginger, peel the back as I did this one, cut it small, then find container like this. Can see, find container like this. Then after cutting it small, you pack them, put inside the container. Inside this container, you pack them, put all. So after putting them all, you add 2 cover of olive oil inside the container. You put the ginger that you cut. So guys, keep watching. So I'm going to do it. This is for romanticism, attractivism, any joint pain that is paining you. Keep watching. So I'm going to do it. And see, this is cover of that bottle. Then you take it and pour it inside. Just put 2 cover. Then pour it inside the container. Then you cover it. So guys can see, you cover it. Cover it very tight. Understand? Cover it very tight. Can see it inside now. Then let's go to the fire. Put water on the fire. So guys can see the water on the fire boiling. So the only thing you do, you now off the light. After off the light, you carry this ginger and olive oil that you mix together, put inside the fire. Then you cover it. After you cover it, you leave it until the water get cold. Then you remove it outside. When you remove it outside, then you now fetch it inside and take rub anywhere that is paining you, whether in your hand, in your leg, in your neck, or anywhere in your waist that is paining you. You now begin rub it. So if you put it in the hand, now only the olive oil will come your hand, but it's already with ginger, only ginger, no garlic inside. Then after you put it inside the water, boiling water, cover it and leave it cold. Then you fetch from it inside that bottle the oil that will coming out. You take rub any joint that is paining you, in your waist, in your leg, in your hand, in your neck. Rub it continuously like 1 week. You see the miracle. Just a short remedy. Try it and see. You will give the testimony. Instead of buying painkiller, drinking painkiller all the time. Try this and see. You see the miracle, wonder. Thanks for watching. Please don't go away without subscribe, comment and share. I love you guys. We meet again in my next video. Bye.